Alright, so we are unboxing Oceans. Only thing I've done so far is taking the lid off. This was a Kickstarter that we got from NorthStar Game Studio, and I absolutely am so excited to try it. We got this for our son to hopefully help with some of our homeschool stuff. You can have up to 6 players. Alright, let's see what we got here. Trying to get like everything in view here. Ahoy there! If this is your first dive into Ocean, start by playing the Reef variant to become familiar with the 12 core traits that create our stable marine ecosystem. Oh, this is going to be cool, bud. Reef variant into the deep. It's got assembly instructions. I'm not going to go crazy into this. Oh, there's a book. So I did speak to someone on Twitter, and he did this with his 7-year-old. So I'm super excited to do some of this. I'm going to just try and take a couple. Okay, we're just trying to get everything in here. Little man wants to play or try to play, so it's really been... Hey, bud, can you hold this open for me?
Sure I can.
There we go. It's really pretty. It's been really well put together here. This is a reference guide. Predators, bottom feeders, filter feeding, inklings, feeding icons, defensive icons, other concepts, scenario cards. What else do we got here? We really need a new camera. A new stand to do this from. It's like a whole question and answer section. Like all the different cards and what they do. And then this is inside the box here. And it's got a bunch of the different game pieces, the different fish. Now we upgraded. So look at this board. Hold on, bud. Let's show them the board picture here. Like, I did a really good job. And then here, this one's really pretty. Let's turn it around here. So that's really nice. And then we got these pieces. So they come in yellow, green, red, orange, blue, and a darker blue. Now I've not looked at anything yet, so I'm not sure what is what. I see a bunch of different game pieces in here. Play the game and play the tutorial. It says, learn Oceans easily. Play a quick 2-player game against AI. Coming soon, online multiplayer, pass and play. Oh, nice. That'll be great.
What?
You can do it on the app. This is a thank you card. We'll be sure to fill that out. This is about NorthStar Games, which we're already a fan of. This is, I'm imagining, part of the game board with that diagram that we'll have to take a look at. Oh, what are these? Now, this right here is awesome. I can't tell you how many games we wish we had little baggies for, huh? So that's pretty cool that they did that. And look at those little bags. Let's show them. I think there's different ones. So this is awesome, guys. Like, so on the front, it says Oceans, NorthStar Game Studios. And each one is different. Oh, look how pretty that one is. So there's a bunch of different ones. That was well worth. Look at that.
Look at this.
Oh, back it up a little bit. Oh, yeah, that's cool, bud. Okay, and then more stuff that these almost look like a bookmark.
Wait. I think I found something.
Some of the little cards.
I found something.
Okay, hold on, baby. What'd you find? Oh, yeah. They are really pretty, huh? And then we'll have to open these up. So we'll do that here in just a second. I'll have to pause to open them. And then, oh my gosh.
What?
All these decks of cards. So what we'll do is pause for a second. And we'll open up these cards and I'll kind of go through the cards with you. And this is exclusive promo cards. Cool. Okay, so we'll open all this up and then show you real quick. Okay, so just a work in progress here. So these are like sheaths to put the cards in. So you have this design and this design.
Go.
Oh, so these are the insert cards for the game. You stick the cards in them, which are pretty nice actually. Mom, I really like that.
How do you open these?
You open it like... Sorry, we've been playing with clay this morning too. Hold on, bud. Let's find it. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed. It's right here. So see, you stick the card inside there.
Cool.
Like I said, our only complaint with the game is the box. Both internally and externally, it's ripped all the way up here. That's really the only thing that I have a complaint on. The bags are beautiful. We're going to open the cards and we're going to go through those, so I'll be right back. All right. We're going to go through them together. So these are from the Dark Deep deck here. Abyss Dweller. Acute Smell. Advanced Eyes. Ambush. That's pretty. That's a cool one, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, look at that one. No? Or that one? Ooh, look at this one.
Mom, I want a shark one.
Oh, well, let's see what's in here. Blubber. Bottom Peter. You burrow into the sand, huh? Oh, look at that one. It camouflaged.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that one. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. It's got it in its mouth, huh? Oh, this one's a cool one. Look. Deep Sea Kraken. Oh, that's pretty. Did a really good job with the artwork for sure. We'll do that deck next, okay, bud? It's a filter cracking. Here, let's... I don't want... Until we get them put up. Okay, let's put these here. There's that. So far, they look all different, huh? Ooh, what's that? Gentle Giant. What's that?
Kraken.
Or a...
Princess.
Is it a squid-like?
Like a squid.
Yeah.
Squid legs.
Gigantic brain. Oh, look at that one.
Look at that one.
Yeah.
What is it?
It says, let's see what this card is. A gigantic scavenger.
I want.
Oh, it's cool. I'm assuming that the name here is all the people, whoever made this particular card, I'm assuming. So that's really cool that their name is on here.
Whoa.
Looks like Johan or Joanne made a lot of these. I've seen Thomas quite a bit. Avero. Let's see. Oh, that's a cool one.
Look at that.
Ooh, look at that one. Here's a Leviathan. Great job, truly. Oh, you're gonna like this one, bud. Oh, that's pretty. That's done by Emily Hancock.
Mom, I think you're doing the right this one.
This one? Is that a turtle?
No, it's a sea turtle.
Pretty cool, huh?
And it's also a sturdy turtle.
Oh, look at that one.
I love that.
You want it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that. They got the poison coming out.
Nah, I don't really care about all those.
No? What about those ones?
Nah,
Nah. That one's cool.
no.
I know. That one. Yeah, I know. I know. Anything that's got teeth showing, he's all excited about.
Oh my god, that's definitely that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A Sea Rex.
T-Rex. I don't know what T-Rex is.
Shark Cleaner. That's a scary job.
Mm-hmm. A shark cleaner.
Okay, hold on. Let's fix these cards.
Look, Mom. See?
Yeah.
You need to just put two fingers in.
And then tie it? Okay, well, we'll put the rest of these in there in just a second. Oh, here's another cool one you'll like. A little tail whip. Ooh, look at that.
Yeah. What is one?
Oh, the Kraken.
A kraken. Wow. Even.
Okay, so that's all the cards in these. So, one second, we'll do the other ones. All right, so this is from here. There's lots to go through. So these are all the same. The tentacled. So let's get all of those and then we'll move to the next one. Okay, so that's all the tentacled. And then this is the whale cleaner. And then, oh, you want the net? Okay, I'm going to get it. We're going through each set though, right? Okay, and then you like that one because of the mouth, huh?
Yeah, it looks like a blood leech. Does it?
Yeah, kind of. More whale cleaner.
Pythons.
Oh, there's the shark cleaner. More parasitic. Here's the filter feeder. Put those there. These are all shark cleaners. Here's the bottom feeder.
Mom.
Pretty cool. Yep, I'm going to put these other bottom feeders right on top of it. And then the rest of these. And then we have the rest of the other deck. Hold on. You want to put these in the little baggie? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
What baggie should I put them in?
Play 2 cards per turn instead of 1. Okay. Oh, here we go. Oh, let's flip it the other way. Do a little bit at a time so you don't drop any, okay?
Okay.
So, more filter feeders. The Apex Predator card is really cool.
What Apex?
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. Speed card. Inkling. And transparent.